Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be making wall hangings using fresh flowers. I will show you how to make these two wall hangings. They are beautiful and very easy to make. Let's start. We need a mat to arrange the flowers. You can use any mat of your choice. We also need water tubes, some decorative balls for decoration, and a thin wire and some flowers and leaves. Secure the water tubes tightly on the mat. You can use a thin wire, a zip tie, or any yarn. These water tubes are our base, so secure them tightly on the mat. These water tubes are available in any florist shop. Pour some water in the water tube. You can also use some wet floral foam and fix it in the tube. I'm using water in one tube and wet floral foam in the other tube so that I can show you both. Now we have to cover the tubes with some leaves. I'm using some fern, but I prefer some bigger leaf. If you are not using the foam, choose a leaf which has a longer stem like this. Our simple and beautiful wall hanging is ready to display now. You can hang it anywhere. They are different and beautiful wall hangings. I have made another wall hanging using a circular mat. Attach the water tubes to the mat and cover the water tubes with some leaves and then add your flowers. You can make multiple wall hangings and decorate your wall for any occasion. They look beautiful anywhere. Enjoy the wall hangings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.